on the floor, just a rebel on your own. On a bedroom trip. On a bedroom.
Alright, so repainting all the basement windows. Alright, so got it painted, and do not worry, I am cleaning the windows, so I'm going to be scraping the paint off the windows. They needed scraped anyway. You can't really tell because the sun is so bright. Let's go to the other side so you can actually see them better. Alright, so I'm going to be sanding this down here so the white's not overlapping, but this needs repainted as well eventually, a color. Again, I'm scraping all the windows so the paint won't be on.